In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay NBI clearance using GCash. If you're getting your NBI clearance and want a fast, cashless way to settle the fee, this walkthrough is for you. We'll complete the payment inside the GCash app, and I'll point out the key details you need so the payment posts correctly to your NBI application. This method saves you time, helps you avoid lines at payment centers, and keeps your receipt digital and easy to find. Before we begin, make sure you already created an NBI online account and have your unique reference number from your application. Keep a stable internet connection and ensure your GCash wallet has enough balance to cover the exact fee plus any small convenience charge. Having these ready will make the process smooth and error-free. Open your GCash account and sign in. From the home screen, tap Profile. This is a quick way to confirm your account is active and your information is up to date. It's also a good moment to check your wallet balance so you won't run into issues at checkout. When everything looks good, return to the main dashboard. Next, tap Bills. On the Bills page, choose Government. Scroll through the list and locate NBI. It may appear as National Bureau of Investigation or simply NBI. Tap it to open the payment form. If you don't see it immediately, scroll carefully and make sure your app is updated. On the NBI payment page, enter the details exactly as they appear on your application. In the Amount field, type the exact fee. In the Reference Number field, carefully enter the NBI reference number you were given. This is what links your payment to your application. Provide your contact number and your email address so you can receive the receipt and updates. Double-check every field. Mistyped digits or an incorrect email can delay posting. If something looks off, cancel and re-enter the details before proceeding. When you're ready, tap Next and follow the prompts on your screen to confirm. You'll see a summary of the biller, amount, and any applicable fee. Approve the transaction to proceed. If a one-time code is sent to your device for security, enter it to finalize the payment, and remember never to share that code with anyone. Keep the app open while it processes and wait for the success confirmation. Once the payment is successful, save a screenshot or note the GCash transaction ID for your records. You should also receive a confirmation via text and, if provided, by email. NBI will receive the payment under the reference number you entered. If it doesn't reflect immediately, allow a short processing window. And that's it. Your NBI clearance fee is now paid using GCash.